Guys, it's Toby Rosario, and in today's video I wanted to talk about side hustles for 2021. One of the best side hustles that you can do on the side, and we all know that we need some side hustles in today's economy. You can't just rely on one income. So I wanted to go over one that has been really good to me, and it's essentially selling t-shirts online, right? And the good thing about this particular model is that you don't really need a ton of money up front. And there's companies, well, when you sell t-shirts, you have to obviously get a design. You have to also print out the t-shirts, but there's companies out there that do print on demand. Essentially what that means is they print on demand. So they handle all the fulfillment, all the customer service, you don't all the refund, everything. You don't have to deal with any of that. You just upload a design, and when someone buys, they take care of the rest, right? So I'm going to talk about the company that I use, and I'm going to reference some other companies. I'm going to give you, if you stay all the way to the end of the video, I'm going to give you my exact design that has sold over 300 t-shirts. I'm going to give you the exact demographic, so you can go ahead and take the campaign and run it if you wanted to. And also you maybe put a different spin on it. So the first thing you want to do is don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you get notified when I'm going to post a new video. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, you need a design, right? You need a design in order to sell t-shirts, right? You need a design or designs. So how do you come up with these designs? The first thing you want to do is a good place to look is Teespring, right? I'm sorry, Pinterest. Pinterest is a good place to get design ideas. You can actually just go to, so Teespring is the print-on-demand company that I use. If you just put Teespring bestsellers up in here in the search bar, they're going to tell you the bestsellers from Teespring, right? So what you want to do is you don't want to copy them. You want to model them and maybe change up the wording, change up and add your own little spin to it, right? Change up the design. You'll get to see these bestsellers. And get an idea from there, and then kind of put your own spin on it, right? So like, let's just go in here. It's called Karma, and it's pronounced haha frisky, whatever that means. But yeah, the first thing you want to do is look at this one. Always be yourself, unless you can be a unicorn, then always be a unicorn. So you want to get design, creative ideas from other people, and then make them your own and change it up a little bit, right? You don't want to reinvent the wheel. You can also get designs from like Target, Walmart, or someone you see wearing a T-shirt, and then that'll be a good T-shirt, or you see like a quote, oh, that'll be good to see on a T-shirt, and then you kind of make it your own, right? Like just simple stuff. Dream big, work hard, make it happen. I'm a basketball mom. I suppose I could be quieter, but it's highly unlikely. So I'm going to tell you. So this particular demographic, obviously, they're targeting moms. Moms maybe who have kids that are in sports. And you can do that all with Facebook. So once you have, so I'm not going to go through we're not going to go in here and find a design. But once you have a design, now you need a designer. I'm going to show you two places where you can get some designers at a very low cost, because there's freelancers and they do pretty good work at a very reasonable price. So you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on a designer, right? You can actually just go to Fiverr.com. Another good one is Upwork. I like Fiverr. I've had great success with Fiverr. And what I look for in finding a designer, a freelancer, is someone who has done a lot of work, has a lot of reviews, but has 5-star. Like this is a good example, right? 639 reviews, all 5-star for $25, right? This is another good example. 136, all 5-star reviews. You want to be very selective of who you pick. And this is actually a great deal, right? 25 t-shirts for only $50. That's an amazing deal. Even and when they're showing their designs, you can get some ideas as well. I'm a proud veteran and dad. Oath of enlistment. So this is obviously a veteran who's a dad, and you can, with Facebook, you can actually get very, very specific and target these people. You can do, this is targeting nurses. You can target a whole bunch of things. Another thing that another good example is if you want to catch a trend. So this is not a political statement or anything like that, but look at this T-shirt. This is obviously someone was like, you know what, let me catch this trend because Trump lost the presidential election and he decided to make a T-shirt. I guarantee that that T-shirt is blowing up right now. People are making a killing with that. So if you see something that you can foresee in the future, like a trendy thing, you want to put a design on it and sell it and see if it works, test it out, and give it a shot. Because all it takes is one design. One design, then it's you can sell hundreds and hundreds of T-shirts, thousands for that particular just one design, right? So you always want to be on the lookout for particular designs. So look, this is police mom. So I'm going to tell you. So basically, you would find a designer, right? Once you have design ideas, you give it to you hire a designer. You tell them this is kind of what I'm looking for. You give them a point of reference or a particular design, but you want to change it up, and then he gets creative and does his thing. So now I told you how to find designs. I show you how to find designers. Now you need to know where to list those designs. So the company I like to use is a company called Teespring, right? And Teespring it's been around for a while. Here are my products, profit, and I'm going to show you my listing that I've sold well over 300 just from one particular product. Now, in order to get that, make sure you stay all the way through the video because I'll show you my design, the demographic, the targeting, the interest. Make sure you stay all the way to the end of the video, and I'm going to reveal all that. But let's go ahead and show you my design. All right, so my design it's basically very simple. The designs don't have to be crazy, spectacular. They don't have to be crazy, right? So the design says, "Feel safe at night, sleep with a cop." Now, before I tell you who the demographic is, comment below and let me know who you think I'm targeting in this particular ad. So I created an ad and I sent traffic to this particular listing. Now, I want you to tell me in the comments, comment below, tell me who you think I'm targeting, right? Tell me specifically who do you think I would target with this particular T-shirt design. Right. So if you feel like I'm providing some sort of value, don't forget to give this video a like. Give this video a like. It does help with the algorithm. That way it can get promoted to other, my videos can get suggested to other videos, and my channel keeps growing. So I actually came up with the design. I saw someone who, I saw a T-shirt that said "Feel safe at night, sleep with I think it was a firefighter," right? But then I saw another T-shirt that said something along the lines like this, but it said "Just not mine." So I said, "Oh wait, why don't I just say feel safe at night, sleep with a cop, just not mine?" Boom, send it to my designer. I put it up. I mean, this thing went viral. Actually, let me show you. Let me show you how many I sold. I sold 370, 307 T-shirts. Actually, T-shirts, hoodies, tank tops. I mean, you name it. This thing, it just went viral because what I did in the ad was I said tag someone that you want to buy this for, or and people started tagging each other. So this is the design. Feel safe at night, sleep with a cop, right? So again, comment below in the comment section. Let me know who you think I'm targeting. So who I'm targeting in this particular ad, I'm targeting a woman who's married, who her husband's a police officer, right? And again, Facebook allows you to get very specific with this, with these targeting, right? I also narrowed it down to what age groups. So I did two separate ads. So one was from 25 to 34, and then from 35 to 44. Those were the two best age groups. Those were the two best age groups for this particular demographic. So I'm targeting a married woman who's married to a cop, police officer, ages from 25 to 44. So I did two different age groups, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, right? Then I also targeted interests. So interests would be like police forums, police magazines, what was the other? I don't remember off the top of my head all of the interests, but you would target any, and Facebook shows you all the interests and the affinity. It tells you the interest that this particular demographic is interested in, what they like, right? But I targeted like police forum groups, police websites, anything related to police. I would target. That's who I'm targeting. People who have interest. So women, basically women who have interest in these particular websites or interests, right, or likes. And in that targeting, I was able to narrow really down specific. This thing went viral. Women were tagging each other, and this thing has sold well over 300, t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops. And then you can do the same design, same text, different design, run it back. Do that. You can do that with firefighters. Feel safe at night, sleep with a firefighter, just not mine. You're gonna target married women who are married to firefighters, and then you're gonna look for interests, fire departments, police departments. So do all those things when you're targeting interests. That's how you would get very specific, narrow it down to your very targeted audience, and that you're gonna convert more when you get very specific in your targeting. So you can run with this design, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this side hustle. Let me show you one more thing if I haven't showed you that. Again, I sold well over almost 500 products ordered. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think this is a great side hustle. And with Instagram, I haven't even talked about Instagram. This is specifically just targeting through Facebook. You can have this thing is endless, right? Because once you get this particular design, you can just change it and go to different fields. Feel safe at night, sleep with a firefighter. Feel safe at night, sleep with a pilot. All these different things. And now they have to be married. They have to be married to someone in that particular field. And then you typically, you just want to find interest in websites that are related to that niche. And you're golden. That's my time. My name's Toby Rosario. Peace.